Have you ever wondered what would happen if you suddenly lost your job tomorrow? Or imagine your car breaking down unexpectedly, and the repair bill is way beyond your monthly paycheck. How would you cope? These scenarios might sound scary, but they're exactly why you need a financial cushion in your life. And today, we're diving deep into exactly what a financial cushion is, why it's crucial, and how you can easily build one. First, let's understand what we're talking about. A financial cushion is essentially money you set aside to protect you from life's unexpected economic shocks. Think of it as your own personal safety net, a stash of cash reserved for emergencies that come out of nowhere. Because trust me, they will. Here's why having this safety net matters so much. Without it, even one unexpected event can derail your finances, pushing you into debt, causing stress, or worse, forcing you into making rushed decisions that could harm your financial future. Ever had a friend or relative suddenly facing massive medical bills? Or perhaps you know someone who had to unexpectedly replace their home's heating system in the middle of winter? These situations happen all the time. Let's talk numbers for a moment. Experts typically suggest keeping between 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your financial cushion. That might sound overwhelming initially, but don't worry. I've got you covered. Watch my video on creating an emergency fund when you're living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine you set aside just $100 per month. In 1 year, you'll have $1,200 saved. In 5 years, you'll have $6,000. That's peace of mind right there. Now, isn't that worth skipping a few takeouts or streaming subscriptions? Here comes the golden question. Where should you keep this money? Your financial cushion should always be accessible, but also out of sight enough that you're not tempted to spend it on impulse buys. High-yield savings accounts are fantastic options because they provide safety, liquidity, and even earn you a little interest. I want you to pause for a moment and picture this. A sudden job loss, but instead of panic, you're calm, knowing you've already planned ahead. Or your car breaking down, frustrating, sure, but the repair cost isn't going to derail your life because you prepared. This is the power of having a solid financial cushion. Creating a cushion isn't just about money. It's about mindset. Building a financial cushion helps develop discipline and resilience, making you financially savvy and better prepared for life's surprises. Can you honestly say you're ready to handle a financial emergency without worry? If your answer is no, today's the day to start building your financial cushion. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you faced financial emergencies before? How did you cope? Your story could inspire someone else on their financial journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might benefit from it.